Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Since Prime Video uses your Amazon account, you will enable it there. Okay, so first thing first, go to Amazon account settings, like open Amazon website. Okay, like this, sign into your account. Okay, open login and security. Okay, so click account list. Here you have to find the login and security. Okay, so this is where security settings are managed. Okay, so enable two-step verification, like find it. I think it's depends on the country. Okay, so there are some countries that you can activate it, there are some countries that you cannot. Okay, so find two-step verification, click turn on. Step 4, like choose your verification method, like options include SMS, authenticator app. Okay, authenticator apps are more secure. Okay, so set up authenticator app. So this is the option that I choose, like use apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, scan QR code and enter generated code. Okay, it's faster and safer than SMS. Add backup methods, like add backup phone number, backup codes. Okay, it prevents account lockout. Okay, and confirm and activate. After that, complete setup, and two-factor authentication is active now. Okay, so what happens after enabling? When sign in, enter password, enter verification code, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.